Hi everybody, this is Captain Wayne. You're aboard Crystal River Boat Tours today, and I just wanted to show you around and let you see what a beautiful place we live in here in Crystal River. This boat tour is 2 hours long. We take a ride all around Kings Bay, and I'll show you all the different springs that are here. We'll take a look at manatees. We will look for dolphins, alligators, all the different heron and egret species that are here, bald eagles, osprey, cormorants, and hinga birds. And just take a look around. It's just a great place to be. And today is an especially nice day. It's very warm today. Today is February 23rd, and it's about noon right now. So Kings Bay is comprised of about over 100 springs, but 30 major ones. And they pump out what would be the equivalent of an Olympic-sized pool every 1.5 minutes. That's 6,500 Olympic-sized pools full of water every 24 hours. So that 72-degree water that's coming from the Floridan aquifer is why the manatees come up here in the first place. So that is what creates this ecosystem, is these springs. They run into Kings Bay here. It's about 650 acres, and then out through Crystal River to the Gulf. I won't say which one. And it's about 7-8 miles from here to the Gulf through the river. And so let's take a look around. I'll show you some sights, and you can plan your trip on your Crystal River Boat Tours excursion. All right, thank you. Crystal River is home to Kings Bay here, which is part of the Crystal River National Wildlife Refuge. So every year, November 15th to March 31st, the area around Kings Bay, around most of the islands here, is cordoned off for manatee refuges. That time frame between November 15th and March 31st is the most manatees that are in here, up to about 1,200 to 1,400 at times. You can see over there, there's some refuge cordoned off over there. We are in the southern edge of the bay right now. Kings Bay is about 650 acres in total. So it just gives the manatees some space and some areas where the springs are to come and get warm in the 72-degree water. If it gets below 68 degrees out in the Gulf, then they become hypothermic. They can, and they need a place to stay for the winter where it's warm. Right now, the Gulf is probably pretty close to that number, and there are quite a few in here today, but they're going to be leaving as the water warms up during the day. The 10 o'clock trip that I did today, there were probably, I don't know, many hundreds. Right now, it's probably starting to slim down a little bit. So, what a beautiful day though, huh?